Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another series on video editing. Now in our last two series we've looked at Premiere Pro, that is Adobe Premiere Pro, and Filmora. Now in our third series we're going to look at CapCut. Now CapCut, similar to Filmora, Wondershare Filmora and Adobe Premiere Pro, is a video editing software that you can use to edit any type of clip that you have. Now for CapCut, it's much simpler to use and it's more user-friendly than the other two, and you can easily adjust to it in a short span of time. Now, if you want to use it, what you have to do first is head over to your Chrome account. Then from here, search CapCut. We want to download for PC, so there's always one for your phone, for the web, and now for the desktop. So I want to download CapCut for the desktop, so I'll just click on that link, and then this will pop up. Now remember that it's a free version, so you can download it for free. You don't have to pay for anything, so just head over here and click on download for free, and then it will start downloading. After some time, if you check, you can see our file has been downloaded. So let's go to a folder, and there it is. So what I'll do is I'll double click on it, and then I'll click on yes, and then it will start installing. You can see currently it's at 0%, and then it will continue progressing until it's fully installed. So it has already finished installing. Now it's testing the environment. Let's see what will happen next. So after it's done installing, this will pop up, and then it will ask you to agree and continue with the terms of services and privacy. So if you want to read them, you can just click on these two. Then I'll just click on agree and continue. And then we have successfully installed CapCut into our desktop. So here it is, and this is what we'll be working with.